What's up, Soul Squad? What's up, everybody? Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome if you're a new subscriber. If you've been here rolling with me for the last 5 years, guys. I am making what? Crab cakes. But not just any crab cake. New recipe from KnT's world. Tisha, I hope I pronounced her name right. Tisha over there doing her thing, guys. Her and her family, her and her husband. They 4 beautiful children. Go check out KnT's world. They vlog, they cook, they do talk time. The husband and wife talk. I mean, they do challenges. I really love their channel. They're a great bunch of people. And also her son JJ. Eat with JJ, her son has a channel. Go check out his channel. And then she has a second channel called Gloss Mama. Because guess what? She sells lip gloss, guys. So everything about her is going to be, and far as like their channel, it's going to be in the description below. Go check out KnT's world. So she made these crab cakes and they look so good. Her husband said they tasted good. So I was like, why not? She used stuffing. I actually use breadcrumbs in my crab cake. I use breadcrumbs in my crab cake. So I say, why not stuffing? It'll bring another flavor to it, you know? So I made the stuffing on the stove according to the box and the recipe. So what I'm going to do, so she also use real crab meat. When you make a crab cake, use real crab meat, not the imitation. She used lump. I got some lump crab meat by Boss, crab meat lump Boss. It was on sale, so I paid like $22 for this. Yeah, so we're gonna put this together. Let me open up this and I'll be right back. Okay, look at that. It smells so good. Come on out. And I want to come out. So we gotta force it out. Ooh. Fresh cat crab meat. That smell good. Can't wait to get my hands on that. Okay. Look at that. This is lump. She used lump. Now, we're going to add in our seasoning. Now, guys, unfortunately, I had to get, mustard had that water at the beginning. A little bit of mustard. About 2 teaspoons. I don't have any. What the heck was that? Somebody's apple? I don't know. I don't have any obey. Now, I thought I did, and I know I do. I got my back door open. There's stuff going on in DC. What is going on? What's that?
Brandon got his iPhone hooked to his Alexa.
His Alexa, okay. I got some pepper, a little bit of garlic flavor, onion flavor. I'm not gonna cook that much. You know why? Because this stuffing has so much flavor to it. And I know it's gonna bring flavor to the obey. Okay? We gotta tell him. We gotta tell Brandon about his Alexa. Something going on, he gotta connect it. So I'm gonna stir that up just like that. Go in with my 2 eggs. Cause this is a big can of crab meat, guys. And then add some mayonnaise for texture. And at this point, if you have some Old Bay seasoning, you can actually hand me a spatula. Cause I know I want to use the same thing that my egg is on. Yeah, give me that. Thank you. Not that much, because you know why? That stuffing, here you go, baby, is gonna bind it together. So I'm just going to stir. So what I'm stirring in right now is all my seasoning. If you got Old Bay, sprinkle a little bit of Old Bay in it. But I just couldn't find mine. But when this video is over, I'm going to find Old Bay. Ooh, look at that. Okay. At this point, I'm going to take some of what? My stuffing. I don't think I'm going to use the whole thing. I'm going to use some of it just to help give it that flavor. Oh, it smells so good. Alright, so I use like a half a box of stuff. I didn't use all of it. And I'm going to stir it up in here. all around the edges. Just to get that bread up in here. But I think I'm gonna go in with some more. I do have a whole lot. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, it smells good when you add that stuffing mix to it. Okay, it's mixed up. I'm gonna get my pan ready, clean up this mess. We're gonna come back and cook these crab cakes. Okay guys, move this out the way. I let it cool down because of the stuffing, right? And let's see how many crab cakes we get out. Now, what she did too, she cooked hers in butter, no oil. So I put about 2 tablespoons of butter in the pan. Oh, and I got some broccoli on, because she made a meal. She made broccoli and some quick instant mashed potatoes and crab cakes. So I'm making a meal. Let's see how many we could get. And remember guys, if you have Obey, it's cool, you gotta have some Obey in your crab cake. But we going solo tonight because I cannot find my Obey. But I watch. I'm gonna find it eventually. Oh, I'm just gonna have to order me some more before I do my next seafood boil. So I know I had it because I did seafood boils. These are nice and thick. And the flavor from that stuffing is going to come through. So don't mess with them, don't touch them. Just let them sit for about 5 to 6 minutes till they're nice and golden brown. And then flip them, wash my hands, clean this up. We'll come back with them flipped. Alright guys, let's flip these second. I can't announce what I think I might have stuck too many in the pan. Don't you guys do that. And she used butter. And they're coming out pretty good with the butter. Look at them. Now, crab cakes always tend to break up sometimes. I don't know why. Maybe because I haven't put enough, ooh. Look at that. Oh, there they go. These 3 are ready. This one right here, this baby not ready to be flipped. But let me see if this one, I think my, yeah, there they go. They cooking really good. This will need a couple more seconds to be flipped. But they're cooking really good to be just butter. I always just use mine as a little bit of oil. But this is the first batch. Ooh, that tastes good. You see that first batch, son? And then I got the broccoli, and I'm gonna do some real quick garlic mashed potatoes. Just make a real quick, complete meal. So when we come back, guys, this plate's gonna be plated. Just follow your instructions on your mashed potatoes. It's that quick, it's that simple. I hope you guys like this. When we be back, we're gonna plate this plate. Oh guys, I'm taking the rest of my crab cakes off. All in all, I'm gonna say I cooked these crab cakes in about maybe, when the butter starts eating up in the pan, I add some more butter to it. So I'm gonna say about maybe a half a stick of butter, and I cook 2, 4, 6, 8. How many? 9 crab cakes. This house smells good. Alright, let's build our crab cake meal. And this is for, oh, look at that. That looks scrumptious. Like a nice crispy. Oh, they're hot too. Look at that. I'll put them up there. Ooh, what we got next? Pan hot. Don't do what I do. Okay, she had some broccoli. I made her complete meal, guys. This is what she made for dinner that night for her family. And it looks so good. And look at this. Some roasted. Oh, sorry. Some roasted mashed potatoes. Smelling really, really, really nice. Tell me. You can't beat that. Hand me a little teeny knife over there. Just because I just want a little piece of butter just to melt right in the center of that. Whoo-wee! Okay, KnT's world. Oh, I know what I want to do, because that's got to be a thumbnail and that's somebody's plate. So let me take a piece that was already warm. with the stuffing. Ooh, what? That's good. The only difference is she had cornbread stuffing. I use what I had in my house. Okay. I use chicken stuffing. It tastes good. Instead of using breadcrumbs, you use stuffing. Its meal came out great. KnT's World. And Eat with JJ. That's their son channel. And don't forget Gloss Mama, because she make lip gloss. But their main channel link will be in the description below. Get your flour. It is available. Spicy or regular. Yeah, KnT's World. Your kitchen your way. My kitchen my way, guys. Great video. Go check out those YouTube families. They're doing their thing. Oh, like, share, subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. Okay, I forgot to say that.